Good afternoon guys, and today we are having the Mahindra Thar, which is the off-roading vehicle, and you can hear the noise of the vehicle. No, that's not the noise, that's the sound of the vehicle, that's the heartbeats of the vehicle. So let's start with the heart of the vehicle, and we are having the 2-liter CRDI engine which produces 130 horsepower, and that's the turbocharged engine. Makes quite noisy, but I love the noise. You can see we are having the aftermarket headlights, which are the all LED headlights along with the indicators. These are the indicators, and you can see this is the parking. These are the company lights. You can see this is the company light. This is the wait. This is the company lights, and these are all aftermarket. This vehicle is fully loaded with aftermarket, and you will be noticing the height of the vehicle is even increased, and that's the way vehicle breathes. You can see through here, and yeah, that's how the vehicle breathes. That's the aftermarket stuff Mahindra written over there. That's the off-roading tire of the vehicle, and it is supposed 10 inches off-road vehicle tire. You can see that's the increased height of the vehicle. That's the footstep to get in, and then coming at the rear, you got aftermarket mud flaps. You got indicator over here. That's the exhaust of the vehicle, and the tail lamps are missing. They are going to put the modified tail lamp, so the tail lamp is missing. You got a spare wheel at the back door. So this is the 3-door vehicle. So the Thar badge written over here, that's the CRD variant. Yeah, it's heavy, it's massive, it's massively heavy, and you can see the boot space. Why I'm talking about the boot space, this vehicle is totally made for off-roading. You're not supposed to take your family, or you're not supposed to take your home appliances. Okay, it's directly, you can directly remove the back seat to increase the boot space. You have to just pull this, and that the seats get removed. And these are the speakers of the vehicle. Even these are the aftermarkets, the whole lot of aftermarket stuff. These are the tail lamps, which is they are going to install, not yet installed. And yeah, because of this rear tire, that's too much heavy. You can see the gap, that's the height of the vehicle. And now we can't, you have to, if you want to go on the rear, you can see these are the rear seats. The cup holder is there, and the leg room is enough. You can see from this side the leg room is enough. This is again customized by the owner. 2 adjustable headrests, and 3 people can sit easily. This is the bottle holder and the handrest. You don't get the middle handrest for the rear ones. And you can see they got one sunroof. So let's get to the driving seat. So now here you can see the doors are quite small. You got speaker over here. The doors, you can remove these doors, and this is the lock. This is the tweeter. 2 power windows. These are not one type power windows, and like this, yeah, the power window is working. This is not the removing power windows. And from here you can remove the door. You can remove the door for going quite off-roading. Let's get inside. Okay, here you got switches for the extra lights, which are at the outside. These are the paddles, clutch, brake, and accelerator. The floor matting is done in this vehicle. And coming inside, you can see, guys, yeah, let's close the door. Yeah, the door is closed. Okay, now coming inside, you might turn off the indicator. Yeah, this is the instrumental cluster of the vehicle, of the Thar. You got the speedometer in the middle, you got the fuel indicator and the temperature indicator on the left, and on the right you get a RPM meter. That's it. That's the whole thing you get in this vehicle. You don't get any information by pressing this, the trip A, trip B, and the audio. That's all you get in this vehicle. This is the aftermarket mic. You don't get any switches on the steering. The steering is not adjustable. This is the horn is too much small, too much silent. There should be a good horn. These are the AC controls. You can see this is for the fan speed. Pressing this, the AC gets on. You don't get mirror over here, you don't get mirror over there. The roof is in green. The whole vehicle is turned into green interior. I guess the owner loves the green. And this is the wiper, and wiper work good in this vehicle. Okay, that's it. Enough, man. Yeah, these are the headlights controls, and these are quite good. And that's it. Not much more to talk about the interior. You got aftermarket Pioneer setup. These are the speakers. Here you got a tweeter, and that's it. At the rear you can see. So let's check the sunroof. It's the aftermarket sunroof. You can see it's an electronic sunroof. It gets open. Yes, that's feel too much airy, too much bright vehicle. And that's it. You got a light at the middle. You don't get light over here. And okay, let's get driving. Let's see this vehicle on the road. Yeah. So guys, we are driving the Thar, and here we go. You're supposed to go straight, no?
Yeah, straight and left.
It will go?
No, it won't. He only took back.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go. Okay. The vehicle pickup is good. Yes. I'm driving this kind of vehicle for the first time. I've never driven Thar. So braking is good. That's up. Oh no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some serious off-roads.
Yeah, you don't need to worry about the bumps, the speed breakers, anything. You are seriously not supposed to worry about the Indian roads. Yeah, when you are driving Thar, you have not to worry about the Indian roads. Yeah.
It just goes on with ease.
With very ease. So guys,
Suspensions on a softer side,
Yeah.
along with Maxxis off-road tires.
no, not that much off-roading.
You won't feel that actually.
Yeah. So the suspension is on softer side along with the off-road tires. So you can hear the turbo sound. Yes. The power is good. The power is amazing. And again coming on the speed breaker. Very easy. You won't feel any speed breaker inside. Amazing. Power is good. And the initial pickup, that's not that much, but the vehicle is totally for the off-roading. So again you see the vehicle jumps. I don't know why. It's just jumping. The vehicle is jumping on the road. And amazing vehicle. There should be a Thar in your home. If you want to go at a serious off-roadings, then you must have a Thar in your home. And power is good. So let's see on the top speeds also the stability. Braking is again good, right?
Yeah, right. This comes with the ABS as standard.
Okay, the vehicle has a ABS as a standard, and the empty road gear shifting is also easy. Okay, now I feel no, this is not the vehicle you are supposed to hit speeds. Just going off roads and you will feel the vehicle. On the high speeds you will feel like you are sitting in jumping vehicle. The vehicle has no traction control as basic,
No,
right?
it doesn't have traction.
The vehicle has no traction controls, nothing guys. So your hands are the traction controls on the steering. Telling on the full RPM. You can see the RPM don't goes above the 4000. Yes. The turbo sounds very amazing. Very amazing. Okay. this is the normal speed. And yeah, this vehicle is comfortable on this speed only. But the amazing vehicle, we are not having a off-roading area over near, that's why
Park will send him again.
yeah, off-roading. on that bump, the normal vehicle would stuck.
Would have broken parts also.
Parts
The
also,
bumpers
yeah,
and
the
all
vehicle
that.
was very easy over there. Thank you guys for watching the video, and that was all about the Thar. And now let's meet in next video. Bye bye.